Where are we today, Chris? What stage are we at, Chris?
So the engine's in, everything's clicked in, everything's plugged in. We've turned the ignition on, bike's turned on. We've turned it a few times with the spark plug out by hand. It's went up and down the stroke, fine.
Here we have them in here.
And we're now at a point where
you're itching.
I'm shiting myself because the wee man's in bed. Should we try? It need to be a quick one though.
Oh, aye.
Right? It's no out of gear.
It's fucking shit myself.
We ready?
Why is it no fucking?
The good news is it's turning though.
Oh, aye, it's all turning now. We started turning it by hand.
Why is that?
Mm-hmm.
Right, how do we close that? We've done the oil change, everything's plugged in, spark plug's in.
The thing you can do is take your spark plug out, make sure it's sparking against the casing. Here, turn this up.
A few moments later.
Right, wait. Turn the spark plug out. Right, it's sparking against the earth, against the casing. Right, let's give it another wee try. Right, it's finished its priming. It'll probably be a wee pocket of air in that fuel system, you know, Hank?
You're going for it?
Aye, it'll need another wee prime through to get it to go. Right. It lives. Okay. See you, bye. Aye, it'll need another wee prime through to get it to go. It lives.